people out there, and especially to my students. Good afternoon. So this afternoon, we will be learning new things like getting a resting heart rate. So before anything else, do you know your normal resting heart rate? Or do you know how to get your normal resting heart rate? We need to know the range of normal resting heart rate. So here's the following. For newborn baby, we have 100 to 160 per minute, while we have children 1 to 10 years old, we have 70 to 120 per minute, and our children over 10 years old to adult, we have 60 to 100 per minute, and our well-trained athletes, we have 40 to 60 per minute. So those are the range of normal resting heart rate. So let us see and let us find out our own normal resting heart rate before we will have to engage any physical fitness or physical fitness testing activity. Okay? How to locate and measure our pulse rate. So we will be having the two types of location. One is your pulse rate, or we call it your radial pulse rate. Here, you will have to use your middle finger and your index finger on your other wrist. Okay? And the second one, you can locate it at the side of your neck, and that is the carotid pulse rate. And next question, what is BPM? So BPM stands for beat per minute. So we will be counting our pulse rate into beat per minute. There is an interval on how to measure our pulse rate per minute. Here I will be using 30 seconds, and that will be multiplied by 2. I will start. Up. So mine, I got it 22. So 22 for that 30 seconds, and that will be multiplied by 2 because I'll use that 30 seconds. So the result is 44. So 44, that is belong to 40 to 60 for the well-trained athletes. So what's yours? Can you now locate and measure your resting heart rate? So tell me, what's yours? Your resting heart rate.